Creatives love their creative tools, but they don't love work tracking processes that interrupt their creative flow. Studies show that creatives spend up to 70% of their time on non-creative tasks. There's a better way. With Adobe Workfront and Creative Cloud, you can conquer work chaos and produce more of the amazing creative content that helps your organization and you stand out. Adobe Workfront surfaces the work management capabilities creatives need, right in the creative apps they use every day, like Adobe Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. All your work and tasks, and even the creative briefs to provide context for projects you're working on, are right there in the creative apps you know and love. Collaborate and access feedback, comments, and updates in a single place that's tied to each project and the overall strategy. Easily enter your time without having to log into a separate project tracking tool. And upload proofs to kick off review and approval cycles without ever leaving your creative application. Reviewing your proof is easy for a stakeholder. They can compare versions side by side or even overlay them to quickly identify what's changed. Every project is automatically tracked and has review and approval workflows baked right in, so there's no need to write emails or spend valuable time identifying project approvers. You can see comments or communicate with stakeholders right in the update stream. Best of all, before work even gets to you, it's been vetted and prioritized, and then only given to someone with the skill set and bandwidth to complete it. Workfront captures intelligence as projects are completed, and that means expectations on your time are more accurate and realistic. With Workfront and Creative Cloud, administration is left to the project managers, so creatives can focus on what they do best.